We wanted to create something sustainable for our school, a project that would teach and benefit our students.
For this reason, we decided to restore the iHub garden at our school, which needed attention.
First, we planned out the garden layout to include space for vegetables, flowers. This did not come without issues though, which called for problem solving and critical thinking.
Our club initiated an event to clean up the garden where we removed garbage and an abundance of bramble.
Once everything was cleaned up, we started planting vegetables in the new garden beds. Thanks to LSF, these garden beds were purchased because of their $500 grant.
This allowed us to start vegetable plants in a controlled environment. Urban Roots also helped us with plant donations.
This opportunity really helped us restore the garden for our community, thanks to learning about a sustainable future in Urban Roots again.
We are super excited to continue this great opportunity to help our community.